Do you want to speak English confidently to speed up your career growth? Hi, my name is Yogesh Vermani. I help people just like you speak English fluently and confidently using a simple and proven process. I am the founder of Your Career, one of the most trusted institutes on Google to acquire English speaking skills. I am also a best-selling author on Amazon. I got more than 18,000 students from 150 countries on Udemy. By the end of this course, you will be able to speak English confidently. I'll also teach you the nuances of English speaking skills and effective communication skills, vocabulary for everyday conversation, and tricks to reduce your mother tongue influence. If you are good at writing emails, reports, and other stuff, but struggle to speak English fluently, I invite you to join the English Speaking Mastery course. The course is packed with 15 hours of on-demand content. You will also get 100% money back guarantee for 30 days. So you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. What are you waiting for? Start improving your English speaking skills today and take your career to the next level. Thank you for watching the video.